All right, so today, Monday, about halfway through week 5, did a lot of electrical work, did some cleanup. So let me show you some of the results. As I told you before, I've been working on this wiring for the basement. So that is now, you can see the new wiring going all the way down there. We've got this wire coming over here, and that is going to light up that light up there. So we'll have a new light there. I'll bring that up from that power source right there. So we're getting there. Again, on one of the hottest days of the year, decided to spend it upstairs because, you know, that's the way to go. So up here, did some more cleaning in here. So pulled off all of this. So that's nice. I don't know how much you'll be able to see here. But I did pull through that wire from the porch. And so that's good. I was able to take out that window and see that I actually have an access now to the top of the porch, screened in porch. So I'm going to take and do some rewiring down there, but I didn't quite finish all that. And I did take the box off of here, so I got to finish that wiring tomorrow, hopefully, and get all these old wires out of here and finish wiring up in here. But we're slowly getting there. Like everything, it's a process. Always takes longer than you think, but felt pretty good about getting all that stuff out of here. And I also was down in here. And I doubt I showed this to you before. I don't think I did, but this was completely filled with junk up until today. So this is the screened-in porch, which is kind of nice. And through that access up there, I'm going to put 2 recessed lights, one right there and one right there. Actually 3. That's where the old light was, but I'm going to center it and have the new porch light be right there with the recessed light. So those were the projects today. Feel pretty good. Actually found this, I think it's a drywall hanger, so that might come in really useful. It was in a box here, so I'm going to play around, see if we can get that put together. And yeah, a few more bags of garbage out there, but another pretty productive day. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will give you an update next time. All right, bye.